Good evening, students and families. We are excited to have you here for our Spring 2022 induction ceremony for the National Junior Honor Society. I'd like to first congratulate our inductees. Students, you've been working hard, staying dedicated to your studies, and have been a shining example for your classmates. You've made your families, your teachers, and me proud of you and all of your accomplishments. I know you'll go on to do great things, and you will accomplish everything you set your mind to. MGLVA and myself consider us lucky to have been a small part of your educational journey. I'd like to thank our faculty council members, Janine Jonkus, Carrie Myers, Rhonda Singh, Onley Sturgeon, Donna Wright, and our chapter advisor, Mary Stanzel, for their hard work in organizing this year's induction ceremony. Let's show them thanks with a round of applause. And now, back to the speaker for our final remarks.